Hello, we are La Vida del Ruido. We are concerned about the hearing environment in Antioquia and we want to reshape it. We want to tackle the issue of noise pollution from an educational and social perspective. We use acoustic ecology as our main and guiding principle, and we believe that through mindful listening and education, we can truly transform not just the perception or the way we perceive noise, but also how we live with noise and mitigate it. So what we do, we basically employ many innovative educational methods, including workshop talks, listening, walks, and several artistic projects to raise awareness within society in our community about the impacts of noise. We mainly focus in Antioquia, which is one of the regions with the most and the biggest amount of noise pollution, and we do it by using active participation methods. We actively engage with students, teachers, with a wide community in several educational projects that relates to noise education, but also to empower people and teach them how to take specific and concrete actions. We also consider the possible emotional impact of the noise pollution in our society.